So what are you putting on, Evan?
Well, we're starting right now.
Yeah.
Tow hooks.
Tow hooks. That's gross. It reminds me of a girl I dated. She had tow hooks.
Voila, the back one's
Look at
done.
that. That's fancy. Alright, so Get Your Gear Inc. Subaru Tow Hooks, 2015 and up. Oh, how fancy that is. Did you get these on Amazon?
Yeah.
Can't remember. Yeah, Amazon. The link will be in the description below. You gotta pop this cover off. Just guessing. Oh my gosh. You know what they say.
No.
If you can't tow her finger.
And then this thing here's going to come out too.
So is there a
Yeah.
threaded thing?
Yeah, there's just a hole in there. Yeah, so then I'll just... I don't know where I thought it would... Probably right about there. Maybe... Kind of just shove your screwdriver in there. Tighten it till it was flat. Voila. Done.
And that's it. So that's it. That's it.
That's it.
Okay. Any questions, comments? Just ask. Look us up on Facebook, Divine Speed Team. Rally Car.